I'm about to start the engine. As you can see, it's up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The air temperature's a little high because I don't have the heat shields on the exhaust, because I've been hitting the headers with the temperature gauge just to see how equalised everything is. I use my little snail over here to get a good balance. But this is just preliminary. This will go on a rolling road, and I can basically check everything on here with whilst driving. I can download, I think I explained that before. So let's hit the starter motor. And we're on. It will be going to a rolling road for a map. John at Emerald is going to do it for me. Then we'll have a race map in it. Then it will be safe to race at Daytona in September. Now, I don't only race Daytona, it just happens to be a few miles up the road, so it's a track that we use a lot and I know quite well, and it's good for high speed runs, that's for sure. Well, that's all for now.